LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, we are there within this correction move. Even in my last analysis, we mentioned about the different possibility, and we mentioned if we get the sell we are looking for, and even we mentioned that we can expect the price to break this top. Okay, now we want to see how long we will be within this move, and is it technically we can expect one more drop. Okay, now first we start with the higher time frame. If I move to daily chart, all right, as we can see based on daily chart, after we have this move, now we're within this correction. And now we're looking at this part. Just now we mentioned based on 1 hour chart. By the way, it's better we move to 4 hour chart. We see how we can trade it. And based on four hour chart, again, this kind of the correction can give us, I mean, we can look for the sell opportunity, but the thing is, if this one also, the possibility of this one become a deeper correction is there. But if we get any sell setup from here, this is what we're looking for, 182. We can expect the price at least to drop to 182. But if we get any sell with the breakout of this low, we need to start to manage it. All right. Now the thing is how we can trade it, because based on 4 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, okay, the only thing is first we put our trend line here. And the thing is, again, if we get any opportunity, we can look for sell. But this one can turn to a bigger correction. Yes. Okay. By the way, what we have here is still we can expect this one to drop. Just, I mean, as a simple, if we look at this flat as a simple correction, still we can expect the price to take the trend line, reverse, give us more complex before we get the down move. And as we can see, the price dropped, but there was no sell opportunity. Even there is a continuation, we need to see whether we can get another opportunity here or not. But we need to be aware. May the price broke this one, drop a bit more, give us one move up. If the price broke the top, any sharp move from there with the flag we can look for. It can give us better opportunity. Okay, but right now we don't have it. Even this one start to continue, then I mean, even if the, still from here the price can continue. Okay. By the way, can we look this one in relative to this as a flat for next move? Yes. Okay. Anyway, structurally, technically, if we get any sell, we can look for sell. But if we want to look for buy, we need to wait for the breakout of the top. Okay. And if, for example, if we consider this one as a correction, 1, 2, 3 in relative to this, still we can expect the price break the top and move a bit higher. But having entry above the top is not a good idea because easily price can take and reverse. Okay, no, all it depends on this, whether the price can reverse from there or drop. Because if the price drop almost near to the trend line, still we can look for this correction for one move up. If the price couldn't break, okay. But if the price continue from here, maybe look at this flat. And what we can see is that any buy, if you're looking at this, will be a short-term buy. Easily price can move a bit higher and drop. Again, this is a technical based on what we have right now we're talking. Okay, that's why I mentioned if you want to look for buy, the best things is we wait for the breakout of the top. And for sell, right now we don't have any sell setup unless this one become a small flat. Maybe then we can look for sell. Okay. Anyway, even if you move to 1 hour 15-minute chart, this is what we have. Okay, and we have nothing here, and we don't have any trade setup. Anyway, we will be more interested in the sell. If we get any sell setup, we take it. In this case, we don't have any trade setup for sell or buy. As I explained, we're looking for this, how it can how it can form. And overall, we're looking for down move for sell. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.